been taken. Auto rickshaw has been banned. The students are on the streets. Trump will stop the war in Gaza. Messi scored 2 goals last night for his club. Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Sneha. You have already heard the headlines, now let's dive into the details. The new government of Bangladesh has decided to hold polls. So let's move on to the next. As we are seeing that the number of auto rickshaw has been increased and a lot of accidents are happening because of it. So now Supreme Court has announced that auto rickshaw should be removed within 3 days. Let's move on to the next. In an interview of Times of India, Dr. Muhammad Yunus said that Awami League can participate in the next election, so this helps students to come on the streets again for protesting. Let's move on to the international news. The newly elected President Trump said in an interview that he will stop the war in Gaza when he comes in power. Let's go into the sports. Messi, the most popular footballer, scored 2 goals last night for his club. So that was all for me, and you are invited to the next episode of News Report. Assalamualaikum, good evening.